DNA, the instruction manual that builds all of you. It has the blueprint to make all the protein your body needs.
Oh! Not that powdered stuff gym buffs chug down before their workout. Real, live proteins. The working class of your body. How do they get made? Let's say some of the laborer proteins die, and the cell needs more. A signal gets sent back to the government building, the nucleus. DNA is a huge code. It's about 3 million letters long, with 20,000 different sections of code called genes for proteins. But we don't want just any protein. We want this guy. The DNA library team open up just the right part of the DNA that has the instructions to build more motor proteins. The gene unzips and the code is revealed. It's made of only 4 letters: A, T, G, and C. Every 3 letters in the sequence is a code for 1 amino acid, the building block of proteins. So the order of the letters in your DNA tells the cell what order to put the amino acids in. A big protein called RNA polymerase comes around to copy that information, and it makes a strand that looks just like half a DNA. It's called RNA. But the RNA has the matching letter for each part of the code. For every A on the DNA code, it has a U. T on DNA becomes an A on the RNA strand, G becomes a C, and C becomes a G. The new RNA strand leaves the nucleus. Now, the RNA strand visits a protein-making machine called a ribosome. It's basically the OG 3D printer. Your RNA is now the code for the protein. It attaches to the ribosome. Every 3 letters is code for 1 amino acid. The cell has 20 different amino acids. A team of workers, tRNA, build the protein 1 amino acid at a time. AUG, for example, codes for a specific amino acid called methionine. One after the other, the workers bring the next correct amino acid and lock it in next to the one before it, and a long protein strand is made. Because of the shape of each amino acid, the atoms of each amino acid are naturally attracted to some of the atoms in the other amino acids. And the specific sequence of amino acids are like magnets. They attract part of the other protein strand together and fold together, eventually locking into the 3D shape of the motor protein. Anyway, the point is, God made this. Duh.